What's up? We're gonna do a walk around of the 65 GMC. OG Jumpman. Backstory. Lambert's. It's my father-in-law. He's had it for over 35 years. So he put the truck together probably 10, 15 years ago, and it sat. And I got a wild air and drug it out and made it what you see today. Not really appearance. We changed the wheels, the tires, lowered it, and then just got it running and driving. But my father-in-law and brother-in-law have the junkyard. There's a foreign and a domestic yard, and I recently started helping them, so I just thought I'd show y'all. It's a cool truck. It's on a square body chassis, so I'm a little different. I know everybody's gonna ask, but on a square body chassis, the frame kicks up under the cab. So they made some spacers out of square tubing. You can see them right here in the bumper. It's not the best, but it works. It looks really good. I got a square body frame, you can see where it kicks up. So they just made a little spacer for it. It works, it looks good. It's rusty, Patina. It's your basic bare bones interior. We're gonna change the seat at one point. Obviously put new rockers in it. Cadillac telescoping tilt steering wheel. Power brakes, power steering. The tank behind the seat was leaking, so I just put this in there. It works. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know. But yeah, there it is. It's dirty. It's been sitting. It's winter time. Try to park it in the winter. But it's a cool truck. Cool truck. Let's see here. If I can get the hood open one-handed. I can't. So, I moved it since the other video, since the start of the other video. An ambulance came by, and the neighbors was raising Cain, so just start over, I guess. So yeah, it's just got a small block in it, nothing special. I changed the carburetor, a few other things. It's dirty. I mean, I wish I could say it had a LS with a blower, a turbo, but it's just your standard issue, small block. With a manual fan, a carburetor, and a turbo 350 transmission. I mean, just old school. But we're gonna do a little work to it today. Just thought I'd show it off. I got a 72. That's kind of what started all this. I actually got a lot of different things. Got some square bodies, some OBS's, but this is the, I guess, one that's complete for now. So Show you one more time. I'm gonna start doing a couple videos for y'all. Videos of some of the projects here. Like I said, I got Blazer, square body Suburban that I'm gonna use to pull my camper with. My 72, building that right now. There's a front clip off of it again. But yeah, we're gonna hopefully show y'all some cool stuff at the junkyard. I know a lot of people don't see the junkyard. Deal with the junkyard, you know. My wife's family's grown up with the junkyard their whole lives, so what better way, you know, show you. We get some cool trucks, and I like to hoard a lot of the square bodies, the 67 72s. So I mean, I think it'd be cool to show y'all, share it with y'all. So yeah, not real good at this, but this is the first, and hopefully we'll make some more cool videos. So thanks for watching.